Hello Priya, be seated.
Morning, sir.
Morning. You can sit this side. All are sitting there, you sit this side. Let's start again, okay? So your name is Priya.
Yes.
What's your surname?
Viswakarma.
Priya Viswakarma, okay? Okay Priya, tell me something about you.
First of all, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Priya Viswakarma and I am 19 years old and I am from Siliguri. I did my schooling from Air Force School, Bagdogra, and right now I am pursuing a BA English Honours from Bagdogra College. So there are 5 members in my family, my parents, my siblings and myself. And I am a quick learner. Thank you.
Okay. Why do you think that you should get this job?
Because it has always been my dream job, and I have worked so hard to come to this position to give an interview. I'm staying here. I even joined an institute which enhances my English. Because of that.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies in my school days, I used to play volleyball, football, so I love playing them and dancing too.
Okay. What are your biggest strength and your biggest weakness?
Okay, my biggest strength is that I said to you that I am a quick learner and I am friendly and I love to interact with people and I am a good communicator.
Okay, alright. Why you not continuing your studies? You should complete your studies. Why you want to do a job right now?
Actually, I never liked to study. To be honest, I never liked to be a study, but I always I have dreamed of I already decided that I will be a category after my 12th. So I leave my studies, so I will be a category.
Okay. Your parents are okay with that?
Yeah,
because you don't have fixed shifts here?
No, they are fully support what I am doing.
Okay, okay.
They are fully support.
Alright, suppose you relocated and going to other place, your shift will be very here and there, so will that be okay?
Yes, I'm ready to take any risks. I'm ready to take for this.
Okay, okay, alright. Tell me something about your biggest achievement.
Achievement is that I got a best volleyball player in school days and also a school volleyball girls captain. That is my biggest achievement till now. So that's it.
Okay Priya, that's all from my side. Anything you want to ask me?
No sir, there's none such.
Okay, you can wait. I'll get back to you with your feedback. Okay? Have a nice day.